Hey guys, my name is Kristen and I'm with Home Life Skills. I have an envelope here and we are going to learn how to address one for the purpose of sending it out through snail mail. To start out, there are three important parts of an envelope. It's the top left corner, the middle here, and the top right. So first of all, in the top left, you're going to put your information. This is your name and your address. This is for the reason of if for some reason the mail could not be delivered, they will return it back to you. So that's why you want to put your information here. And I'm just going to make up an address. Okay. Right here is where you want to send the piece of mail. So you're going to put either the name of the company or the individual that you are sending it to. So let me just say I'm going to send this to a cousin of mine, and we're going to call him John Thomas. And we're going to give him an address, 123 Cherry Street. And we're going to say he lives in Las Vegas, Nevada. And y'all, I do not know the zip code, so 12345. Let's pretend we know the address and the address is correct. So the next important piece is you want to stamp your envelope right here. So this is why it's important to go to the postal office and buy a book of stamps. Back in the day, you could get a whole book for like $10. So you're going to put your stamp right here in the top right corner. They have different style stamps. This one happens to be a skateboard, but they have some that's a United States flag. They have all kinds of different ones. You can get special ones for like if you're getting married, you can do wedding, you can do floral flower pictures of a stamp. They have so many different ones. But yeah, this is what it looks like. You're going to put your info in the top left, who you're sending to in the middle, and your stamp in the top right. And you're going to put your note, your bill, your check, whatever it is you're going to send, put it in here. You're going to put it in the mailbox and put the red flag up. The red flag indicates that, hey, I've got something I'm sending out and that the mail person needs to pick it up and send it to UPS or the Postal Service.